Afternoon. It's another roasting one today. It rained loads last night, and you would have seen a clip of me in yesterday's vlog with the picture. So that was today. So I've come back. Jobs. I'm going to water first, and then we're going to get on with some specific jobs. I've in mind to sand that down, the worktop, and start painting it, but also some strimming. So we'll see how we get on today. What's the time? 6:30 in the evening. So let's do some watering. Right, I'm going to do a bit of strimming now. Oh, it's hot. Come on, let's do some strimming. Oh yeah, I know, red, but that's the strimming done. Well, no, I'll take that home with me actually. Come and have a look at what we've done though. Well, I've done a lot of strimming, put it that way. Can you see all that? Let's have a look. I put this up. Something was digging this up. I don't know what it was. It's probably an animal of some sort. And I figured the spinach and the beetroot had scattered. So I wasn't sure what to do, so I thought I'd just remove the bits of cardboard that it seemed to have churned up and sowed courgette seeds, and then put this on top, so this should stop any animal walking on it. But I strimmed all of that there. I mean, that was full of, yeah, that's pretty good. And you can see a path emerging there. This was all covered. I mean, this is a huge hole. Oh, alone knows what that's there for. It's quite deep. Probably a pole, I suppose, a long time ago. I strimmed quite a bit around here, all along here. Some up above the strawberries. Yeah, so that's a lot of strimming. I did bring some wood that me and Jack are going to start with the gaps there. And I brought the cleaning materials to clean that, but forgot the most important thing, which was sugar soap. So because I'm planning on cracking on with that. There's a bag of wherever that is. Where's my bag of stuff? Wood. Oh, here we are. This is all. There's wood in there. Kitchen towel. I'll leave that all here. And the wood has got pre-drilled holes to make it so that the wood doesn't crack. Oops, I've got screws. I like these black ones. They're the best that I've found anyway. Watered everything. Hope you can hear me. Let's just check. Yeah, watered all of that. That looks great. Got to think about where I'd like to put a pond. Somewhere in the middle here, so it kind of hits if I ever get any frogs. Well, that's my poor baby clematis. Let's hope we see some signs of growth. This climber's doing all right. I need to put another one up here. One of these. I've got some spare. Cucumbers. Oh look, and the cucumbers have got little flowers. A little flower. That's great. And the is this rocket? Yeah, the rocket's coming. Beetroot's coming, as is the lettuce and all of that. And I need to. I think tomorrow I've got to put this stuff over here for this climbers. And what I have noticed actually, apart from some, obviously flowers are coming, but some nasturtiums have turned up out of the blue, which is fantastic. Oh, that's really good. And I've seen some little tomatoes. Let's see if I can find them. Oh yeah, that's good, isn't it? So the cauliflower doing okay. Sweet corn's doing great, getting taller and taller. This one had snapped. I don't know if the wind had got it or an animal, but I've kind of, hopefully it will carry on growing. And that's the tallest one. That's kind of chest height, that one, which is great. I'll come round. Perpetual spinach, I might harvest some of that. Lettuce, I can harvest some of that as well. And there was blackfly on these, but I did spray them and then it rained a lot. And some of them, the blackfly has gone a little bit. It's still there a little bit, but it was a lot worse. So I'm going to try that again, because they'll probably come back. But the tomatoes are looking all right. The potatoes, these are first earlies, went in late. And I still need to do the edge, but that can wait. And do you know what? I think a melon. That's a melon. Definitely. Which is amazing. So we'll look after that. Get the netting on below so we can sort of, yeah. I haven't seen Mr. Robin for days. So Oh, I don't want to show you. I have an apple. Look at that. Oh, and there's another one. Right, can you see? And we have a plum as well. Let me show you. Yeah, look. Any more plums, or is that the only one? Yeah. I think it's the only one. One plum. One plum, 2 apples. And obviously all this needs sorting out. This is I think, actually, Sir Jack's coming tomorrow. Hold on. Yeah, Sir Jack's coming tomorrow to help with the wood slat, the holes in the slats of the wood. You might see him. He might appear on camera because he's 16 now, so, you know, it's up to him, you know. But when they're younger, we're like, we're not so sure. It's a lovely sky. But he's coming and he knows I'm filming, so put it that way. He may well be on camera, you might meet him. And that might be part of this vlog actually, I'm not 100% sure, so check out that sunshine. That's lovely. I think I'm going to go home now. And in fact, this is for an allotment neighbour just further down. Andy, if you're watching, this is yours, all right? They're here. So if you're about, come and grab them. Yeah, whew, hot and sweaty. So I'm going to go home, and then there might be a bit more, depending on how long this is. If not, I'll see you tomorrow. Take care, everybody, and I'll see you on the next one. Ignore me if I appear in the next clip. Take care. Bye.